Good morning, my dear boys of class 11th. Today I am going to upload one video. The topic is define physiology and what is the importance of the knowledge of physiology. Why the knowledge of physiology is important to a sportsman. Now, what is physiology? Now, physiology is the close study of the function of any organ of our body, whether our heart is working, functioning well or not, whether our lungs are working or functioning well or not. So it is the close study, minute study. Physiology is the close and minute study of the function of any organ of our body. This is physiology, right? Now, the knowledge of physiology is very important for a sportsman. It is very, very important because the knowledge of, number one, the knowledge of physiology helps us to know the structure of the organ. Next, the knowledge of physiology helps us to know the function of the organ. The knowledge of physiology helps us to identify, to select, to pick and choose the budding talents of the school or institution or from anywhere else. The knowledge of physiology helps us to prepare the training module, to prepare the training schedule. All are given in my notes. Go through it, my dear boys. Next, the knowledge of physiology helps us to take necessary prevention, necessary measures to prevent the sports injuries, or it helps us to manage sports injuries. It helps us to avoid, to escape from, to get rid of from the sports injuries. Next, all these things. So this is the importance of physiology. Now, our next topic, let me see the syllabus. Your next topic is the function of skeletal system, classification of bones and types of joints. This is your next topic. So, the next topic is function of skeletal system. Let's know. So, चलो एक तो स्केलेटल सिस्टम के बारे में कुछ आइडिया दे देते हैं. Our whole skeletal system is divided into, there are 4 parts of our skeleton: skull, trunk, upper limb and lower limb. चलो skull के बारे में कुछ बताते हैं. This is skull. ठीक है. तो the whole skull, it seems that it is a hollow single bone, but it is not. There are the joints of bone. Skull. So it consists of, this whole skull consists of two parts, namely the cranium, number 1, and the face. Cranium and the face. So cranium consists of the brain. This is the cover to the brain, very hard cover. ठीक है. And the face जिसमें बहुत सारे bones है. तो मैं आपको बता दूं, number of bones there are. You will be surprised to know that our skull, which seems to be a single bone, there are 8 bones in our whole cranium, and they are fused together so tightly. They are the fixed bones, immovable, quite immovable. And our face consists of 14 bones, out of which 13 are fused together tightly, and one, this mandible, this is only flexible, this moves. This is skull. Trunk means consists of vertebral column. एकदम देखो, यहाँ से शुरू, स्काल के जस्ट नीचे से शुरू हुआ है, and it has gone to the extreme downwards. So there are 33 segmental bones, 33 segmental bones, out of which 9 are fused, and the rest 24 bones can move slightly, can glide, ठीक है, can cover angles, not much angles, but cover to an extent. Upper limbs, यहाँ से लेकर upper limbs consists of क्या ना, scapula, shoulder bone, shoulder blade जैसे है एक तो देखेंगे, clavicle, collarbone, scapula, humerus, radiation ulna, carpals, metacarpals and phalanges. And the lower limbs, legs, it consists of hip bones, हिप में पेल्विक बोन्स, जिसको हिप बोन बोलते हैं, थाई बोन, परहाप्स नहीं, दिस इज द लॉन्गेस्ट बोन ऑफ आवर स्केलेटल सिस्टम, फीमर, देन shin bone, tibia, fibula, splint bone, tarsal, ankle bone, metatarsal and phalanges as usual. Toe bones, and apart from this there are three bones, ilium, ischium and pubis. So these bones, these are the bones in lower limbs. Now what are the functions of skeletal system? कंकाल तंत्र का, जो हम लोग का कंकाल है, what are the functions of skeletal system ना? Skeletal system, skeleton gives the shape of the body. It gives the shape of, gives a definite shape, particular shape to the body. Next, number 2, it provides support to the body. Number 3, it provides protection, safety to the delicate internal organs. जैसे चेस्ट कैविटी के अंदर हार्ट है, लंग्स है, ये सब. It gives the protection to the delicate internal organs. Skeletal system acts as lever. It acts as lever also. जब हम लोग टो पे खड़े होते हैं, जो हम लोग when we flex our limbs, it acts as lever. Skeletal system is the reservoir of the minerals like skeleton, calcium. Done. And last, आप जानते ही हैं, there is bone marrow inside the bones which helps in producing RBC, blood. So this is the function of skeleton. See you in the next video. Thank you very much.